Hey guys, it's Markie Sack here,
With
and
Monica Sackenruder.
with Monica Sackenruder, and she did a video yesterday about
my Barbie playset that came with the Barbie and the Chelsea.
And you want to see that video? Click here, and then she will be doing part 2 today. And today I will be doing my video of what I got in San Diego. So this, you probably know where I got it from, right? SeaWorld! This is Killer Whale Keith. And his last name is Shamu.
Yeah. And they had a real key.
So put it right there. And then on the way to San Diego, we went to Legoland, and I got the mobile police unit. This is set number 60044, and it's for ages 5 to 12, and it's 375 pieces, and it's a building toy. And I put this sticker because they were handing them out at the front, and it says, "I'm a Legoland Explorer," because I want to remember that I got this from Legoland. And while my sister is showing her things that she got from Legoland, you
I
can look
got
at the
the
back.
Friends Lego set.
Oh wait,
I'm going to open it after him.
yeah.
And I got this book too, so I'm going to
Okay, and now we are going to do the time lapse after I open it. And here we go.
Wow, this is hard to open. Some people might use scissors or something like that. We're using scissors. Some people might use like decorating knives. And some don't. So it's going to be pretty cool, and maybe sometime I got a good share. And I can do everything.
Okay, guys.
Let's see
So
what we got in that box.
you have bag 2, bag 3, instructions. Oh wait. Instructions just for the trailer.
You can't see me.
Bag 1.
It's like if you're at the channel Iron TV HD, you should watch it.
Stickers.
Some stickers, that's cool. And there's nothing else in the box.
A Lego,
Top or bottom.
this is for the bottom of the trailer. And then you have the trailer instructions booklet that I already showed you.
I'm gonna put this
You
box to the side.
have another trailer instructions booklet. And you have the minifigure and the engine of the truck booklet. Okay, and let's start the time lapse.
First, we're gonna open bag number 1.
They can't hear you. We already started the time lapse.
You're okay, you're okay. Some bags, minifigure bags with minifigures.
Yep, these are the minifigures.
We got minifigures. Of course, we got Barbie.
Come over here and zoom it in to where you want it.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Markie Sack, and today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of the mobile police unit. And if you want to see the time-lapse video, click here or down there. And okay, so this set was 375 pieces, and stages 5 through 12. And here we go. So first we start off with the happy police officer with the regular blue hat. Then a regular police officer. And then a robber or a bad guy. Okay, so we're gonna start. Well, first of all, this can come down like that. So put that aside. And then here's the truck. And the only secret about the truck is that it's just that the top comes off. And now we'll start with, and then now we'll do the trailer. So we'll keep that out. And then, so the top can come out first. The satellite can move. The antenna can move. And these are something inside that slides of the bottom panel. Something came off, guys. Hold on a sec. Sorry, guys. The satellite unit has something inside here that can move. And then we can move this up, and I'll show you the inside right now. Okay guys, so here's a little cell. Here's a warning poster, a radio, some screens, two computer screens, a keyboard, a coffee cup, and this is a coffee maker, and this is a map. This is a crowbar. And this is a map.
Okay, where's my surprise? Where's my surprises? Okay, where's my
Be
surprises?
quiet. Go. Go, Monica. Go. Go.
Where's my surprises?
Go, Monica.
Where's my surprises?
Monica, go.
Daddy, I think Daddy got one. Show me the surprises. What?
Right there.
Okay, guys, here. There's what the robber looks like. With the ball, him in his handcuffs. And then the police is holding on to him. And then let's say this happened somewhere where it's really busy with cars. Like a highway or freeway or just a road. Or even a street. And here's the $100 bill. And then he is directing traffic. And then, let's say this was late at night, so he's pointing the light that way. And then the spare handcuffs you can use other minifigures, but I'm just gonna put it right there. Side. And here's how the traffic's supposed to go. And then, and then here we go. Then we can take the robbers at court, and then we can take them to jail. The bond cannot be done. I'm sorry. There you go, guys. So then we'll open the cell, and then we could put this guy inside the cell. Close this door. And then this guy can sit in the back doing some research. And then this guy, and then we put all the stuff away. Just gotta flip it over because it might be easier. Drop the piece. Okay, now we can close the door. And we can close this so we're